This tutorial will walk you through how to use Zoom when you receive a Pocket RN meeting invite on your iPad. When you open the Pocket RN app to join the Zoom meeting, you can select the Zoom link to open the Zoom app on your iPad. If you are in the Zoom app for the first time, you'll need to enter your name, which you may leave as your device's default if you wish. Zoom will also ask for your permission to access your camera, which you should allow. You should also choose to join with video. Zoom will then ask to access your microphone, which you should allow. You may choose whether or not to allow Zoom to send you notifications. You also should select Call using Internet Audio. We do not recommend that you dial in, as this will have you join through a phone call. You now should be able to hear and see the participants in the meeting, and they can hear and see you. After a brief moment, the app's controls may hide. If you tap on the screen, they will reappear. If you tap Mute, you will mute your microphone. If you tap Stop Video, your iPad camera will turn off. If the other participant doesn't appear in the meeting, you can tap Participants to see if anyone else has joined and whether their video and microphone is on. When you are ready, tap Leave and confirm to leave the meeting. If you accidentally left the meeting early, you can always tap on the meeting link again to re-enter the Zoom meeting. We do not recommend using any other controls on Zoom for Pocket RN meetings. We hope this tutorial was helpful for using Zoom on your iPad.